Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In this edition of the newspaper of Thursday, April the 28th, 2022, and today is actually Saturday, the 30th. Well, I got the flu. I'm ill for a couple of days, so couldn't solve any puzzles. So I'm a little bit behind. We have the puzzles of Friday and Saturday. So first, this one. 4474 it will be, yes. 4474. Binary puzzle, yes. Binary puzzle. What kind of binary puzzle? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have also 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. A double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. A double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Yeah. Well, double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Need to compare, I think. Yeah. Well, we need to compare the rows, I believe. One. Yeah. This one and that row. 1 1 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Need to compare again. Yes. Need to compare again. Question is which row or column? Well, I think this row and that row. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 4 minutes. All right. Great binary. And I like this one. Yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. We have 2 puzzles left. Tectonic and the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.